Today, I'm going to share with you one of those snacks that I enjoyed while growing up. This is one of those snacks that finished my coins. It is called Come Again. Hello, creative bangers. Follow me to my kitchen. Let's do this together. All right. You are going to start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. You can also use soft flour or wheat flour. All right. Once that is done, you move in with the rest of the ingredients. I started with sugar, powdered milk, baking powder. You can either use cinnamon powder or nutmeg powder. Then I added salt. All right. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Please take your time and mix properly. Very important. Now you are going to move in with either butter or margarine. Go ahead and continue mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing, time to move in with water. I started with 1 cup of water. That's about 250 milliliters of water. Alright, mix. Then I needed extra water. I added more water. Alright, please add to yours if necessary. Okay. Now, I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface so that I will have enough space to mix and knead the dough properly. You need to knead properly, okay? Even if you don't have enough strength, you can borrow some from Anthony Joshua. Okay, after mixing, we are going to cover and allow to chill for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, voila! Now, I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts. Now, I'm going to divide again into another 2. Okay, so in total, I divided the dough into 4 equal parts. Now, this depends on the size of this come again that you are going for. All right, you can make yours bigger than mine. You can also make it smaller than mine. All right. Now it is time to roll. Go ahead and roll in a very tiny dough. Shout out to you, Shell, watching from South Africa, Tessie from Port Harcourt, Thompson from Zambia, Ingrid watching from Sri Lanka, and Linda all the way from Cameroon. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all loved the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. All right, after rolling into a very flat dough, just like I mentioned earlier, you are going to fold. After folding, with a very sharp knife, you are going to cut as demonstrated. You can cut more tinier than mine. The more tinier you cut, the more crunchy it will become. Can I air fry this recipe? Yes. Can I bake this recipe? Yes. Then you can also fry, just like I'm doing. We are going to deep fry. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Now you are going to flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Once it becomes golden brown like so, take it out of the heat. If you want this to last longer for you, please fry into a golden brown. And we just delivered again without being pregnant. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Look at that. The color is popping. I'm loving it. Give it a try. You may not go back to change them again. Is it crunchy? I hope you can hear that. It was delish. Put in an open tray and allow to cool down completely. Go ahead and enjoy. Look at that. It is storable. You can store just like you store chin chin, and it will last up to 3 weeks. I guarantee you that, as long as it is properly covered. This can also serve as a snack idea for your kids. All right. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.